Hey guys, my name is Frank and today I am going to show you how to make a Hugo Spritz. Start with a wine glass and by adding a handful of mint, about 8 leaves, they are going to bring something really aromatic to the final drink. Ice up 1.5 ounces of St-Germain, delicious floral note. I am then going to add 2 ounces of soda water and then I am going to add 2 ounces of sparkling wine. The fresher the sparkling wine, the better the Hugo Spritz. I'm then going to give it a little stir, making sure the mint will release the flavor, and this is going to blend all ingredients together. And finally, garnish our drink with a couple of mint springs brought together like a little bouquet and a lime wedge. Voila! Feel free to try this drink with sparkling rosé. It makes an amazing Hugo Spritz.